the C4 route, and it's the one where it has a staircase to the electrical room, and it's the one talking about the elevators. It says it's disabled, not out of service route, and it has on the same blueprint the pictures with stairs leading all the way up to the electrical access room. So I think you take the stairs first, and then you turn the elevator on from the access room.
Oh, okay. That's actually not a bad idea. So how do we get to the stairs, though?
I don't know, but stairs with the doors budging, and there's another room that budges.
Okay, yeah, in the hotels, right?
Um,
All right, so which one's getting C4'd? The stairs?
Come back, drop it.
I don't
Let's roll
think the fake wall's gonna work.
I don't think
The
we
fake
see
wall
for
will
the door
not
either.
work.
I'm telling you.
I'm not putting my vote on a fake wall.
I'm
going down with the
all right,
wall.
listen. Wall this side, door this side.
Yeah, I'm taking Julian with me.
I'm going down with my wall. I think it's the wall.
All right, door it is.
I say we foundation wipe the casino. We
Door?
go on the ground, get the foundations. Yeah, let's go do it all.
What if it's honeycombs, bro?
What if it's what?
Honeycomb.
Honeycombs? Like rust?
Then we've got Kojo.
Culture.
All right, stairs.
Play it cool, guys. Play it cool.
Take your fucking clipboard, Kojo. You're not fucking doing the drill. Come on, immersion.
Just need to find a man that will shut the fuck up.
Let him go. Let's
I will
let
shut
him
the
go
fuck up. I will shut the fuck up. Don't have sex.
Yep, guys, it's over here, construction workers. It's over here.
Yeah, alright. Hey, my wife.
Let Julian go.
He's not here.
He's there.
I'm here. It's fine. What's better, buddy?
Yep, right in these elevator rooms, guys. Go on up. Go on up to the hotel. Go on up, guys.
Hotel.
All right, sir. Can you go ahead and give the whole group a quick debrief on what's gonna happen once they all get here? Sir?
Marty is the guy, you know, he's the project manager, so he's wearing the suit, right? So I don't fuck up my immersion.
Yeah, but okay, so you're gonna have to go ahead and debrief the whole crew here, what we're gonna be doing now. So if you want to go ahead and stand next to the door, Turk, go ahead, man. Talk us through.
Me? Okay.
Yeah, talk us through.
Talk us through the controlled demolition phase 1 and 2, please.
We have
Speak
two
up.
squad-
Speak up.
Oh, sorry. So today we have 2 squad numbers. I'm promoting Marty Banks to General Store Manager. So he's the
Thank
one
you so
leading
much.
with Ming, Jingtai, and Jack Cortair. I want the second group to be Julian, Santorno, Ray Mundo, and Kojo, Abdul Samad, and me, one group, okay? So so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna find the stairs, guys. This is a really hard and thing to do. So group 1, I want you to find the stairs so we can blow up the fucking shit, so we can rework the lights and stuff. And then the second group is gonna look around and try to find the other stairs.
The thing is, I think actually,
Understood.
I think the stairs starts on the first floor.
No, I think these are it. Look at the blueprints.
I think it's these.
Look
I
at
think
the.
it's
Okay,
these.
so look at the.
There's
Wait, let me look at the
also
thing.
first, it says first floor stairs as well.
Stairs. Pork. Sir, I think I found the stairs.
Oh, we found the stairs, guys.
The stairs, guys.
Group 2 found the stairs, so we are 1 point ahead of group 1.
It says trash
Sir,
room goes to
Sir Turk, I have a
floor 1
question.
stairs.
Yes,
Yeah, I see what
Marty
you're
Banks
saying.
promoted to the General Store Manager, yes?
Do we blow this shit the fuck up?
We have to blow it up, otherwise we cannot get through this because it is hard luck by the owner of the casino and he lost the key, so he wants us to do this job. The whole city trusts us to do this job and see for the goddamn door.
Okay.
All right, we ready?
Julian Santorno, you ready to C4?
I'm gonna
Please back up
Everyone,
from the
please
premises.
stay back,
preparing
please.
the door. I'm preparing the door.
Yeah, wipe it down, wipe it down. We don't need any excess debris. We don't need any excess debris on that door. Good
I'm
job.
putting the sticky tape down so it sticks.
Alright.
Alright, door's done, door's done, door's done.
Bomb is armed.
Okay.
Countdown, Jack.
3, 2, 1.
Bingo.
Bitch.
We have an error right now, chat. Not chat. Where? Guys, we have to rethink our plan, and we leave it for right now, and then we have to rethink. Okay, debrief, guys. Let me hear all the
Okay, everybody, what did we learn today?
that
C4
we
does
wasted
not
a
open
C4.
doors.
C4 is not the solution to all of our problems. Repeat after me.
C4 is
C4
not
is
the
not the
problem to
solution
resolve
to
our
all of our
problem, all of
problems.
ours.
Exactly.
That's
We
just the
learned a lot
Gulag
today.
way, though.
Good job, everybody.
So about that wall.
We need a C4.
You guys
Go
know
back
what
to
the
the
trash
wall.
room is?
No, how do you get to the trash room?
It's on the first floor.
Which one is the
Okay,
fucking
I want
first floor?
everyone.
Oh, I'm not able to figure it out.
All right, it's construction worker Jack.
I
go
want
ahead, man.
everybody. Listen, I want everybody to use his connections to get more C4 because we are down bad in the construction, M&M construction building, AS.
Yo, you got any C4?